If you can't control yourself, you can't remain stable in a relationship. Many people think that attraction means manipulating the other person, but the truth is quite different. The more you try to hold on to someone, the sooner they will feel distant. Real power lies not in changing another person, but in managing your own behavior and decisions. 1. Focus on the process rather than the outcome. If your happiness depends on when the other person will respond, how much time they will give you, or how much importance they will give you, then you have given control of your emotions to someone else. A balanced person puts in effort, but doesn't attach their identity to every outcome. They speak with respect, but don't desperately wait for a response. This mental independence builds confidence. 2. Make your life so strong that it becomes your identity. A person with goals, discipline, and direction doesn't need to constantly demand attention. Invest time in your fitness, career, learning habits, and personal development. When your world isn't limited to just one relationship, your presence feels more impactful. 3. Maintain emotional balance in every situation. Responding to everything immediately, giving lengthy explanations for every misunderstanding, or reacting to every little thing often signals insecurity. This doesn't mean suppressing your emotions. It simply means thinking before reacting. Staying calm is often the most mature response. 4. Don't tell your entire story in one day. Every relationship deepens gradually. If you reveal every feeling, every plan, and every thought right at the beginning, it diminishes the natural curiosity in the conversation. Let people get to know you over time. Be honest, but don't try to prove yourself every moment. 5. Learn to step back when you're not respected. If only one person in a relationship is consistently making efforts, it's important to pause and assess the situation. Step back isn't revenge. It's a way to maintain your dignity. A relationship that thrives on both sides remains healthy in the long run. 6. The greatest strategy is self-development. A good personality isn't built by tricks. It's built through daily habits, discipline, learning, and self-respect. When you consistently work on your body, thoughts, communication, and actions, you don't have to prove your worth to anyone. Your behavior becomes your identity. Conclusion: don't try to control anyone. People connect with respect and trust, not compulsion. Flow your energy into things that make you a better person. Confidence, patience, clear goals, and emotional balance. These are the qualities that make any relationship healthy. Remember, the strongest person is not the one who dominates others, but the one who maintains control over his character, his decisions, and his emotions in every situation.